Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm with you with a very beautiful project. We are going to make these beautiful crochet curlicues. Look, they look very nice. You can use these ornamenting many things, your scarves, your blankets, your tablecloths. Also you can use these at the beanies of kids and babies, and anything you can imagine you can use this. It is really very easy. I will explain you very detailed. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos, dear friends. Thank you so much for your support, and let's go on how to make this. I'm using cotton yarn for this project, dear friends, and 3mm hook. It is possible you can make this in different kind of yarns, such as acrylic yarn, half cotton, half acrylic, or woolen yarns, according to your projects. For example, if you are going to use these curlicues for woolen scarves, of course you are going to make these curlicues with woolen yarns. It's no problem. Okay, dear friends, let's start. Meanwhile, you see I made them in different sizes in order to show you how they look in different sizes. This is small, for example. This is the biggest one. These are middle size. You can make, according to your project, any size you like, dear friends. We are starting by making chains. We are making 35 chains, dear friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are making 35 chains. Yes, I made 35 chains. I will make this curlicue according to the biggest size I made, dear friends. For this curlicue, I made 35 chains. I will show you how you are going to this, but of course, for example, if you are going to make a small curlicue, I made this with 10 centimeters. I made this with 20 centimeters. These are 25 centimeters. That depends on this is 30 centimeters. Whatever size you want, you can make chains according to that. But now in this project we are going to make this long curlicue, dear friends. For this we made 35 chains. Yarn over. After making yarn over, 1, 2, 3 chains. 3 chains. I'm going back 3 chains and inserting my hook in the chain space and making a double crochet. After making one double crochet like this, from now on, of course we are going to make double crochets, but we are not insert our hook in the stitch spaces of the chains. We are going to make like this. I am making yarn over. I am going beneath the chain, and after that I am making yarn over like this. I am making double crochet. Yarn over. I am doing the same thing. Always we are going to same thing. We are not inserting our hook in the chain space. We are going around beneath the chain like this. Look, like this. I'm not inserting my hook in the chain. Always double crochets we are not going to make, but not inserting our hook into the stitch space of the chains. Just taking the yarn, going around beneath the, look, below this. I am going, later on I am making yarn over like this, you see. I will always do the same. There is nothing but this. Later on I will show you how it takes a curling shape. Yes, I made a few double crochet, about 10 double crochet. What I am doing, I will pull it to the starting side like this. I am pulling. After pulling, I'm curving it. I'm giving a curving shape to the double crochets. Later on, I'm going on doing the same thing. Only when starting we are inserting our hook in the chain space and making one double crochet. After that we never insert our hook in the spaces, always below beneath the chain we are working, always like this. After making 10 or 15 double crochet like this, I am pulling to the right side, to the same side, later on giving a curving shape like this. You see, it started to take a curly shape. I am doing the same thing till I come to the end. Let's make together. I made some 15 or 20 double crochet. I am pulling, look, later on I am taking a curly shape and then going on doing the same thing. I mean going on double crochets by going beneath the chains. Never ever we are not inserting our hook in the chains, only when starting we are doing this. Yes, we made some more double crochets, pulling it. You see how it takes the curly shape. I am making a curly shape to that, like this, you see, and going on making double crochets in the same way, going around beneath the chains, never inserting our hook in the chain space, always making like this beneath the chain. That's all, dear friends. We are doing this till we come to the end. Let's do it together. Yes, I made some more double crochets. like this, pushing. Look. We are nearly at the end, dear friends. We are going to make some more double crochets, and then we will be at the end. We will finish it. Yes, we came to the end. It's been like this. Now I will fix it by inserting my hook in the stitch space of the last chain, like this. When starting and also finishing, we are inserting in the chains. Now I will not make double crochet. I will just make a single stitch, and then I will finish it. I am making a single stitch, making one chain to fix well, and I am cutting the yarn and finishing the curlicue, dear friends. I am giving a shape again for the end. It's been like this. It is finished. Now I will hide this yarn end. For this reason I am taking a small hook in my hand, 1.5 millimeter. You can do it also with darning needle, no problem, or you can do it with the hook you crochet. I am doing this a few times, and also I am doing the same thing for the other, just in order to hide the yarn end. And I am cutting. Now it is completely finished. For the last time I am giving the curly shape. We finished. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. Hope you are going to make beautiful curlicues. The pattern is very easy. I really love them. You can use this in many crochet projects of yours. Look how they look beautiful. When you change the quantity of the chains, you can make them in different sizes, as I make. For example, this is 15, 20, 25, 35. I made them in different sizes in order to show you. Dear friends, I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Let's meet in the coming videos.